Hi, good morning, friends. Today I'm gonna make a very interesting vlog for you guys. So keep watching till the end. This vlog is gonna be dedicated, especially dedicated for nature, the birds that sings for us. So मेरा साथ बांधते रहो आखिर तक. Just outside my gate, there is a papaya plant, and it's just beside the highway on the main road, National Highway number 2. So many vehicles proceeding towards Woka or Mokokchon. Yep, this is just outside my gate. Okay, all right, guys. Thank you so much. As you can hear the sound of the birds, I can't see any because it's a concrete jungle here. But however, I hope and pray that you have genuinely enjoyed the bird singing away to glory, dawning this beautiful day that our God, our Creator, the Almighty, in all His wisdom, has created for you and me, just to make our life more beautiful and worth living. Thanks, guys, for watching. Ciao.